what is the difference between the class's name only without parentheses and the class's name with parentheses? Okay, let us say that we have a class and we have a copy of that class and it is called an object. And let us say that we have written the name of the class without parentheses. And this time, when you see the name of the class without parentheses, that means it refers to the class itself. And this time you are not creating a new copy, a new object. Okay, you are referring to the same class. Okay, what about if we add parentheses after the name of the class? And this time you are creating a new object, a new copy of that class. What about if we write the name of the class only without parentheses inside a variable? And this time, this variable will be referring to the class itself. Okay, what about if we add parentheses? The name of the class with parentheses inside a variable. And this time, you are creating a new copy of that class, a new object of that class, and you are saving that object inside the variable.